Hello, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add some image on Wix editor. If you have a website, you need to upload many photos, but you don't know how to add any photo. This video for you. So I'm on my website login mode. So now click on media. Now click on this button, upload media. Then again, upload from computer. Then download button. Then I select two images. You can select multiple image, this doesn't matter. So I'm waiting few seconds for processing time. You can see my photo are successfully done. I want to use this picture or image on my website. Just wow. Then scroll down, I put a portable section. You can put this image any section anywhere in your website. Everything are possible, everything are customizable. So if you want more video, please comment below. See you again, take care, bye.